Leadership is biological. How regulation begins to influence others. This is Brain Lion Institute, episode 126. Leadership is often described as authority or position, but biologically, leadership begins in the nervous system. A regulated system affects other systems through tone, presence, pacing. Others begin to co-regulate, not because of control, but because stability is detectable. The nervous system reads safety in other nervous systems. This is influence at a biological level. Leadership is not forcing direction. It is creating conditions where others can stabilize and respond. A regulated system becomes a reference point. Next episode: how influence works through nervous system signals. If this resonates, please subscribe, like, comment, and share. It helps the channel grow. This work is created independently. If it supports you, support link is available on the channel page. Thank you.